Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on, guys? What's going on? Let's get it, man. 23,970 or 984 actually. We're coming up here. Can we break the highs tonight? Let's bring it out, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's hop on into the stream, my friends. What the? Bro, what is this? What is this? I've been waiting for the bottom. Someone told me we're going to 10K. Like, Ma, can you give me some donuts? Like, I thought we were going to 10K. I've been waiting for months. Why are we going up, bro? Why are we going up? This is... They call me the bottom dweller, but the bottom's already in. The bottom is already in? What the hell? What the... Wow! Look! The bottom dweller is wrong! We are pumping! We are at 24K! We are going to the moon! Everyone, strap up! We are going to the moon! George said strap on! And we are bullish! Bullish, I tell you! Bullish! Why is it so... Holy moly, man. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? I see everyone in the chat having a good time today. It's good to see some green candles today. It really is. I'm seeing a lot of positivity in the chat. I'm seeing a lot of positivity all around the crypto space. It's good to see. It's good to get a couple green candles in here. It really is, man. I have way more fun when the market's going up. So,
let's see what's going on today. Can we expect to continue up higher, or is this move done? Let's see what's going on today. Let's see what's going on today. Mike said, I think Jordan was bull the whole time. Well, I have something to tell you guys. Guys, today is actually going to be the last stream that I ever do. I didn't tell you guys this, because I didn't want you guys to think I was just this massive bear. And I didn't want you to know the guys this, but I had a massive short in with my whole portfolio, liquidated at 23,500. That unfortunately hit today. And, I already started to apply for jobs, and my dad was able to get me a job to work nights. So today is actually going to be my last stream that I ever do. I think I'm done with crypto too. This pump was completely manipulated, and quite frankly, we should have dumped. I mean, the economy sucks, everything sucks, and this was complete manipulation, So this is my last stream that I ever do. I just wanted to let you guys know, and quite frankly, this is it, man. This is going to be the last stream I ever do, and I'm already done. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So I'll catch you guys, maybe in the next bull market, but that's about it, man. All right, so I'll see you guys later. It's time for my shift, and see you guys. I'm just kidding. I am just kidding. You know what's going on today, man. You know what's going on today. We're going to get a little moon helmet going on today. That's what we're going to do. Let's go, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I will never stop streaming. And they will never make me stop streaming. Okay, what's going on? John said the last stream they got F off. Come on, John. Don't tell me to F off, my friend. Come on. I'm just kidding. Don't go anywhere, guys. Don't go anywhere. I'm just kidding. Anyways. I want a refund. Anyways, let's jump onto the stream. So, what is Bitcoin looking at right now? As we kind of get over the jokes and we start looking over here. What's going on here? So, if we look at over here, Bitcoin has made its way back up to its previous high. All right, all the way back up to 24,270. All right, can we break that high? All right, we had a lot of bullish things actually happen today that I told you guys I was waiting for. Now, we're not out of the woods yet. I want to see Bitcoin break this previous high. Because quite frankly, we're still just kind of tottering with a possible M formation that we'll talk about in just a second. You guys notice something else? But yeah, we're sort of tottering with an M formation. But we did do a few bullish things today. If we take a look at this daily chart, guys, what did we do today? We absolutely smacked the 50 EMA. And unless we get some massive dump on the daily close today, it looks like we are going to close above the daily EMA 50. Okay, we've been talking about that being a massive level for us to break, and we have now smashed it to the upside. We still have a couple problems, though. Before we get like full-on bull mode where we start, jerking each other off and doing all this other stuff, we still have a couple problems in the chart. We are still in our bear flag. Okay, if you extend this up, we're still sitting right at the top of this bear flag. So let's not say we're out of the woods just yet. We still got some work to do. All right, and if we actually look over here too on the possible bullish side, we've been talking about this big downtrend of resistance on the daily time frame that we have now also smacked to the upside as well. So we do have, quite frankly, I told you guys, like if we break certain levels, we might be looking pretty good, and we have now broken those couple levels. So here we are. We find ourselves above the daily resistance. All right, that's not looking too bad. We find ourselves above the 50 EMA. That's not too bad, but we still gotta break this daily high, man. We still gotta break this daily high. All right, so for all my bulls in the chat, I need to hear you guys loud and clear tonight. You saw the poll. I need you guys to spam all the swords and all the shields in the chat for us to get a daily close above 24,276. All right, let's get it, all the bulls in the chat. Let's go, man. I love how Bathwater says invisible penis. That's like the best thing in the world. Anyways, bulls. We may be time to start going to the upside, but we need to close above 24,276. I would like to leave all the bears behind who didn't have the ball sack to DCA below this level. They were too scared. They fell for everything. Even though they were scared, they did not DCA. They did not buy at 17K. They did not buy at 18K, 19K, 20K, 21K, 22K. They did not buy the 200-week moving average. They did have no balls to do so. So let's leave them behind. Let's leave them salty and wondering if they should FOMO back into the market. Because I love when bears FOMO. Because they were too scared to buy at the lows. Fight and spam all the seals in the chat. And let's leave them behind and take the land that is rightfully ours. All right, here we go. Let's get on over this, man. I probably tugged on a few people's strings, man. Because there are some people probably sitting back thinking if they should buy right now. Hey, it is what it is. We've all been there before. Hold on. Let's get out of here. There we go. There we go. I'm always spitting facts here. You know it's true. All right, but we're not out of the woods yet. Seriously, guys. To go back into the price action, we do have bearish divergence on pretty much every single time frame here in the short term. So, as much as I want to break that today, if we look at the price action that we have, okay, we're talking a full strings, man. We're talking a few different strings, all right? If we look, what happened with the new camera, listen, it takes a few days to get here, okay? So, give me some patience with the new camera, okay? Give me some new patience here. We're trying to make it happen. Glenn said, for F's sake, another episode of Cops in the background. We do have some bearish divergence on all time frames, though. If you guys look down here, we do on the 15-minute time frame, we do have lower highs, and we do have higher highs in price action, right? On the hourly time frame, same thing, right? If you look at the hourly time frame, we do have higher highs, and we do have lower highs on the RSI. Okay, if you look at some other time frames, like, you know, say the 12-hour time frame or the 4-hour time frame, you've got still a little bit of bearish divergence as far as lower highs and higher highs in RSI, lower highs in price action. So, or vice versa, right? 12-hour time frame, you have higher highs, lower highs. So, could we see a little bit of a pullback in the short term? Quite possibly. But I will remind you that as much as I love vector candles, okay, I love vector candles, guys. But here's what I'll tell you about Bitcoin, right? And you guys know I love vector candles. I love Tino's strategy, and I love all this stuff, okay? As much as I want to say that this stuff always works, it doesn't. If Bitcoin wants to be bullish, okay, which it might not right now. Bitcoin might come tumbling all the way back down to 18K. Might come tumbling back all the way down to 17K. We have no idea. There's still a high probability of that, okay? Despite what the price action says, there's still a high probability we could dump right back down to the downside here. But when Bitcoin wants to be bullish, okay, it's not going to give two shits about any vector candles to the downside. It is going to pump, okay? So that's what I'll say about that. Go back in the previous bull markets, you'll find a ton of vector candles that were never taken, okay? But if we're just speaking as far as TA and as far as we look at the charts in a certain different way, if we look at this, we do still have some all the way back down here to the $21,600 level and all the way back down at $23,200, okay? So let's take a look, right? Is it possible Bitcoin gets a pullback all the way back down to 23,150 or so? I think that's pretty likely at this point, right? Do I want to break this on the close today? I want to smash this on the close today. But I don't know if we do, okay? I don't know if we do. I would love if we did, but I don't know if we do. A pullback back to at least 23,200 makes a ton of sense to me. We have a vector candle down there. We have our previous highs down here in this range. It just makes sense to come back down there, man. So that's what I'm looking for as far as bearish divergence, vector candles to the downside, just what the charts are telling me, okay? Now, if I look at the price action, this price action's reminding me a lot of the price action down here, man. A lot of the price action down here. Jordan! The price action does not matter. If Bitcoin wants to pump, it's gonna freaking pump. Okay? None of what you're talking about makes any sense. Victor candles? Dipoopins? What the hell is dipoopins? If Bitcoin wants to pump, it's gonna freaking pump. Okay? You're an idiot. You're literally an idiot. We don't care what you say. Mike, isn't he an idiot? Isn't he? He is a huge idiot, isn't he? Yes, he is an idiot. There's literally no volume on this pump. Jordan, you really think we're going up right now? There's no volume. The economy is shit. Nothing has changed. We pumped. So what? The economy is literally shit. We are still dumping back down to the downside. I will bet my left testicle on it. No, my right testicle, because I don't have my left testicle. I'm too old. All right? My right testicle. We are going back down to the downside. Thank you. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. Thank you all this. Thank you all this, man. All right? You guys are too funny, man. Anyways, I will say this again, though. I will say this again, okay? Now that we made it up here, I'm not going to say it's 100% certain that we're going to moon to the upside here. But I want this to be a reminder to everyone why it's important to have a hodl stack, okay? Because in times like this, you're going to wish you had a hodl stack. Why? Because if you have a hodl stack, you're not sweating the price action right now, okay? You're sitting back, letting it do its thing, all right? If you're on the sidelines right now, well, you got to sit back and you got to make it. You got to make a choice of what you want to do here. Someone that has a hodl stack, they don't really got to do that, right? You sit back, you have fun, you watch the price action. That's why I always recommend, even though I'm bearish sometimes in the short term, it's important to have a hodl stack, my man. It's important to buy important supports. It's important to buy important levels which have indicate bottoms in the past, okay? It's extremely important to have a hodl stack. I will say it like a million friggin' times, all right?
Rant alert.
Because here's the thing. Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing, all right? Here's the thing. I did not sell any of my hodl stack, okay? You guys know I made the biggest buy that I ever have. I made the biggest buy on Bitcoin, and I told you guys a million times before we even got there that I was going to do it. The biggest buy I ever had at the 200-week moving average, okay? Here's what I'll say about this. The biggest buy I have ever had on the 200-week moving average. That was down, I mean, for a couple different weeks, that buy was down about 20%, okay? That buy was about 20% at its low, okay? Now, was I sweating it? Not really, okay? You guys know me. I was sitting here bearish, even though I made the biggest buy I ever had at the 200-week moving average, and I told you guys I was going to do when we were at 30K, all right? We went lower than that, all right? So what? We dropped 20% lower. Here we are. We're back above it. Now, will we stay back above it? Will we stay above it? I don't know. All right? I don't know, but quite frankly, I don't care. I told you guys that a million times. You gotta... and you guys don't believe me when I say this, man. You don't believe me when I say this.
Rant alert.
When Bitcoin wants to go back up, even the bulls, like me, I'm a long-term bull, even the bulls will not believe it, okay? Once again, I will not say this is this is 100% going to be the time that we start going back to the upside. But when it does, might not be now, it might be a couple months from now. When it does, no one will believe it. Not even the bulls will believe it. In the back of their head, they'll think, I don't really trust this pump, okay? That's why it's important to buy certain levels, man. Bitcoin goes down to the 200-week, scoop up a little BTC. Bitcoin goes down to freaking 17K, scoop up some BTC. Comes back down to 20K, scoop up some BTC. Right? Whenever it hits support, it's important to scoop up some BTC, my man. You know? So, take it for what you will. I don't know where we're going from here, right? If I had to guess, I think we get a little... I think we do get a move back down to 23,150, 23,200, and then we go from there. All right? That's what I will say. Let's see. You already know what's up, Drew. You already know what's up, man. Let's see. Let me take a sip of water here. It's absolutely delicious, man. Absolutely delicious. Here we go. Here we go. You guys are funny, man. I sold a bit of my hodl stack today. No problem with taking profits, man. There is literally no problem with taking profits. Okay? I will not make that same mistake I did last time and not take profits. I already told you guys. I took profit on Matic. I took profit on Solana already. Okay? I will be taking profits on the way back up. I'm not just going to be sitting on my hands the whole time. All right? I told you guys that before. So I have taken profits. All right. Anyways. Let's jump on into the charts here. All right? First of all, a message from George. I am George. We're all George. Look at all you salty bulls. You guys have been trolling me for months. I'm right again. Bitcoin built a solid base at 20K, and now we are seeing the next bull market unfold. Look at all the salty bears in the chat. Like, this is why it's important. You guys need to DCA. You need to hodl, because we are back in the bull market, guys. We are absolutely killing it as bulls right now. All right, we are absolutely killing it. Let's zoom out and see where we're at right now. Look at the bulls. They are absolutely killing it right now. Massive move to the upside. Just ignore all this price action right here. We are going back up to a new bull market. We are going back up to a new bull market, and we are gonna go up. And nothing's gonna stop us right now, okay? Not Elon Musk, no one's gonna stop us. We are gonna go up. Strap the on, okay? Strap the fuck on, baby. Let's go.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Now, let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. That's delicious. Oh, by the way, shout out to my guy, Mr. Knot. He said, bro, remember my wife Uniswap buy at 3.5. Yeah, Uniswap is going nuts, man. Hey, be happy for your wife, man. Be happy for your wife, okay? Because the money that you make is, the money that she makes, in theory, should also make your life easier. Because that means she has more money to spend herself, which means you need to spend less money on her, in theory, okay? So take it as a win. All right, be happy for your wife that she made some money. Okay, there you go, man. There you go. Take it as a win, my man. Whenever your wife makes money and has more expendable income, that's a good thing. Let's see. What do you think about ETC? We'll take a look at altcoins in just a second, man. I want to jump into a few different things here. So we talked about, you know, what we're kind of looking at here in a couple different time frames. Ultimately, we gotta break this previous high, man, because if we look at the price action, it's until we break that previous high, guys, I'm not going to get like, you know, jumping up and down, going nuts. Okay. Even though I am feeling, I will say this. I am feeling a little bit more bullish than I have in a long time. Okay. Probably ever since all the way up here. Okay. I'm feeling more bullish than I have in a long time. Okay. And it's not just because we're at resistance. Okay. You guys know me. I'm not going to get bullish at resistance. It's not because of that. It's because we broke the things that I've been looking at. We broke the 50 EMA. We broke this downtrend of resistance. There's a couple different things I'm looking at here, okay? It's not because we pumped, okay? It's because we broke levels that I was looking at, okay? Because I know all you guys in the chat, all the pencil necks are going to come in the chat and say this. Wow, look at Jordan's bullish. It's because we pumped. He's such a moon boy. He's literally horse guy. He's literally horse guy. He's just bullish because we pumped. Look at him. He's so cute. We're going to dump and he's going to eat his words. He's so dumb. He's so dumb. All right. I guess you know, the pencil necks in the chat always come through. You got to respect the pencil necks, my man. What's going on, Kennedy? He said, let's get it, Jay. Let's get it, Kennedy. Let's get it, Kennedy. I love the positivity in the chat. Look at this poll, man. I asked bull or bear. 873 votes. 57% of people are bulls now. when like 2 days ago, it was like 65% of people were bears. You gotta love this shit. You gotta love the crypto market, man. Everyone flips bearish and bullish every day. Maybe including myself. I don't know. All right, so let's get rid of this. Let's get out of here, my friend. All right, so let's jump into a couple of different things here. What was I saying before? Because I always get carried away. You guys know me. I'm not going to get like overly optimistic until we break that high. Because if we look at what Bitcoin's doing right now, okay, and this is something that we talked about consistently. We got to break this previous high. Why? Because this is what we did a couple different times. All right, this is what we did a couple different times. If you look right here, look at where we are. We're still below the previous high. Okay, we're still below the previous high. You guys can see it right there. What did we do the time before this? We had one giant pump to the upside. We retraced. We came back up. We could not break that previous high, and that was the dump sign. All right? What did we do up here? The same thing. We had a slight deviation to the upside. We pulled back, tried to come back up, made a lower high. That dumped us back down to the downside. So, do not get like freaking crazy optimistic until we break this next high, man. We gotta break the previous high because this is what we've done the last 2 times. So, although we break in some key levels, we're not out of the woods yet, okay? We don't think we're out of the woods yet. Don't be FOMOing in. I never recommend FOMOing. The time to buy, once again, was down here. Once again, the time to buy was down here. If you want to buy right here for longer term holds, you do you. But if you're trying to swing trade right now, buying right here, the risk versus reward, you do you. But don't love the risk reward right here. The time to buy was down here, okay? Unless you're a horse guy, which we know a horse guy likes to buy.
Whoa! Bitcoin's right at resistance? I had a month to buy the lows. I'm gonna buy now. I'm gonna buy at 23,800. This is the best buy ever. I'm going all in. Right at the resistance that we dumped every single time. Here we go. I'm going all in.
Dump it.
What? Why are we dumping at resistance? We're supposed to buy at resistance and sell at support. This is manipulation. Why did I ignore the recession?
No, but in all seriousness, man, time to buy was right here. Risk versus reward where we're at right now. It's a little bit more risky. If you want to FOMO in, you do you. You do you. It could work out for you. I don't freaking know. But the time to buy was lower. All right? So take that in mind. All right, hold on. All right, hold on. One sec. What's going on, Life on Track? What's going on, man? Recession, cancel economy is great. Don't give us the voice of reason, my man. Don't give us the voice of reason. All right, hold on. What do you guys say in the chat, man? Here we go. Clint, I got you, my man. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds, man. Had so many of my dumb friends. Hey, we've all been there. Listen, I've been there before, so it is what it is. All right. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. Slick Rick came in with the super stick. A shout out to Slick Rick, because he's slick with the shots. Love to see Slick Rick, man. Jordan, bet Clint that he will FOMO in higher. I don't want to piss. I don't. Listen, Clint's in a good mood today. Me and Clint were chopping it up. We were already trolling each other over there in the Discord, man. So Clint's in a good mood today. I don't want to piss him off. All right, Clint, let's do a bet right now. Let's do a bet. Let's do a juicy bet. I'm trying to find one that's legit here. All right, so Bitcoin's at 23,830. We're gonna bet if Bitcoin closes. This is not a good bet, man, because I know the one you're gonna want, and I know the one I'm gonna want, and it's probably both to the downside. All right, this is not really a good bet. Clint, 23,800. I want Bitcoin lower than 23,800. All right. You choose. Do you take the bet that it's over, or do you take the bet that it's under? Let me know in the chat. Let me know, my man. I know the one you're gonna want, so let me know. All right, let's see. Gidja Inu says Bulls FTW. I love it, Gidja Inu. Shout out to you, man. Kareem said BTC USDT on the weekly 200 is still below. What's exactly the difference using BTC USD, BTC USDT? Just different way to look at the chart, man. I mean, every exchange and pair is going to be different based off what exchange you go off of. BTC USDT on the weekly is still below. I'm looking at the index. So I use the index just because that has more data to look at. It goes all the way back to like 2011. And this one we're well above. So I don't know if there's any exchange that we're still below, because we're like $1,000 above the 200-week moving average, my man. So maybe you're looking at the EMA. I don't know. And you might be looking at the exponential moving average. Lewis, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Let's see, Clint. Screw it, I'll go over it. All right, fine. I'm gonna pick the under, Clint. 23,800 at the daily close. All right, daily close. So we got 33 minutes. I'm gonna take the under. Clint's got the over. We'll see. Listen. I honestly, I hope I'm wrong, my man. I hope I'm wrong. All right, let's see. It's already under. It's over right now. So Clint's got the advantage at the moment. So we'll see if Clint wins. All right. So, guys, let me know in the chat. what altcoins are you excited about right now? Because there's a lot of exciting altcoins going on right now. A lot of exciting altcoins. A lot of good things going on in the charts. And it's not just Bitcoin. I want to show you guys a few things here. I want to show you guys just a few things. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We're not out of the woods yet, but there's a couple decent things going on in the macro that I think are going to be good for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's see. First one is this support line in the DXY. What's going on with the DXY? We're smacking that to the downside, my man. All right, this has been the support level. VRA, QNT, ETC, Aave, Sushi, ETC, AVAX. A lot of ETCs, a lot of Matics, a lot of Atoms. Holy moly, man. People going nuts for altcoins right now. You gotta love it. I love it. I love it in the chat. It's great to see. I love when we see green days. The positivity and the energy in the chat is just a lot better, man. You gotta love it. All right, so what do we got right here? So this daily uptrend for the DXY we've been holding since May. We now have broken that to the downside, right? Where it retraced, it pumped. It retraced, it pumped. It retraced, tried to pump, and then has broken that. So could the DXY be seeing a little bit of a cool down here in the short term? Definitely could be. And it's not just that. We go over to the USDT dominance, which shows you basically what this shows you, to keep it super, super simple, is it shows you how much of the market share of crypto is in Tether, right? So if we take a look at what this also did, is look at this coming down hot and heavy, all right? And what do we have down here on the weekly candles of USDT dominance? We got two juicy, juicy, juicy vector candles all the way back down here to 5% and 4.86%. Not only that, we have this uptrend of support, which all the way since November has been the support for USDT dominance, right? November we bounced, we moved up, came back down in April, came back up, right? Now we're pulling back. Are we going to see this come all the way back down to these levels to retest? That could mean Bitcoin goes up a little bit higher, right? We'll find out. We're still holding that 20 EMA, but we do have some juicy weekly vector candles if we want to come back down and take these, all right? So not looking too shabby right now. There are some good things going on the chart. Not only that, okay, look at the S&P. Also breaking resistance. And quite frankly, my analysis so far for the S&P has been completely off, okay? Completely off. It's completely off the rockers right now, all right? I thought we were going to come back down here and take this daily gap here. We didn't. Now, it's probably still will at some point. I'm not going to say we're never going to come back down and take that gap. Still convinced that we'll eventually come back down even if Bitcoin goes nuts here, right? But here's the thing. This daily downtrend for the S&P is now broken to the upside, and this rising channel that we're watching has also broken to the upside. So we got some good things here on the S&P. Same type of deal. The next technical resistance is back up here at like 41.74, which is a pretty decent move for the S&P. So will that also bring back up Bitcoin with it? Maybe. But there is some good things going on in the charts here for many different assets. If there were some bearish things, I'd let you know. I don't really see anything terribly bearish about any of those at the moment. So, I mean, let me just look at the RSI here. Where's my RSI on the S&P? Anything crazy here? Slight hidden bearish diversions here. We do have lower highs and higher highs on the RSI. So it's there. The move's not over yet. I need to see a little bit of weakness before I call this legit, because this could just easily pump up higher. You know what I mean? So here we go. 23,800. We're still looking for a pullback here short term for BTC. I'm looking for BTC to come back down to 23,200. All right? That's what I'm looking for short term, guys. If you're panicking on this move, we simply got a yellow vector candle back down here to take. Same thing on the 15-minute time frame. We got some yellow vector candles to come back down here and take. Not the end of the world just yet, my friends. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here in the short term, man, because we're coming down. Here we go. Bitcoin's coming back down to the downside, my friends. Here we go. Everyone panic. We're going to zero.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
We're going to zero. Here comes Java coming out the woodwork right now. Look at all you bulls. Falling for another bear market rally? How dumb are you? It's the same thing that we've seen over and over and over again. Listen, I'm fat. Okay? There might be something wrong with my head. Right? I'm huge. I can barely fit in the door. But even I know that this is a fake rally. Okay? We're dumping. Don't worry. All the bears in the chat, let's rise. Spam, guys, for all my bears in the chat, spam the swords and shields for my bears in the chat. We are dumping. We must fight back. Screw the Viking. Screw him. Shout out to my guy Jabba, man. Shout out to my guy Jabba. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Pay yourselves. Yeah, guys, make sure you take profits on the way up. Okay? You can't go broke taking profits. Make sure you take profits on your coins that have gone up today, right? Or at least if you know, at the highs here that you could have took some profits earlier. But make sure you guys don't be afraid to pay yourselves, man. All right? Because the one mistake that a lot of us did in the last bull market is we did not take enough profits. So do not be afraid when the market goes up to take some off the top. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that. There's zero wrong with taking money off the top. There's nothing wrong with having more money in your bank account. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. There is something wrong with buying the top and watching it go down, or buying somewhere, the price rises, you don't take any profits, and it comes right back down to where you were and you don't make anything. Okay? Or it goes lower, right? But if you take some profits, that gives you some leeway. You know what I mean? What's going on, James? Good to see you, man. Let's see. What's going on, Cease? I spend my money before I get it? Nice. Nice. We take a sip of water here. It's a beautiful, man. You can't take profit if you buy high. That's another great reason not to buy high. You know what I mean? You can't take profits if you buy high. Anyways, let's jump on some. Let's jump on to the Ethereum, because everyone's wondering about Ethereum right now. Ethereum's getting a little pullback right now. All right, 1716. Actually, Ethereum, quite frankly, blew right through, and I'm not talking about that below. Okay, don't be weird in the chat. It blew right through 1700. It's getting a little bit of a pullback right now. We'll see where we close. But I told you guys that 1700 was an interesting level. Why? Because it was so many different supports back at 1700, both last summer and this most recent consolidation back up here in May before we dumped. Right? You had a low right here at 1700. You had a low right here at 1700. We'll see where we close today. I would really, really like to close, get a little bit momentum above. But a close above 1700 would not be too shabby, in my personal opinion. So we'll keep watching ETH. ETH did have a big spike up all the way to almost 1800 actually, for Ethereum there. Not too shabby whatsoever, man. You gotta love the little, I guess, the little bear market rallies, man. They are kind of nice. Now let's go back to, let's check some shorter term time frames real quick and see what we're looking at here. We still got that bearish divergence on the daily, guys. So, you can't just ignore that, right? As much as we want to get super, super bullish, and I want to get bullish, man. I want to put the helmet on and leave it on. I don't want to take it off for any streams going forward. But you still got higher highs. You still got lower highs on the RSI, okay? Nothing's really changed there, all right? If you go to like the 4-hour time frame, do we have the same deal? We do. We have lower highs on the RSI, higher highs in price action. So we still have some bearish divergence there, right? Now, if we expect Bitcoin to have a short-term pullback, which maybe it says screw you, but it doesn't. But if it does, you're going to expect probably Ethereum to come back down and retest some of these lower levels here, all right? So let's watch those very, very carefully as we navigate this. But Ethereum, I will tell you this, man. I will tell you this. You know who's pissed off right now? This guy right here. What's going on, guys? It's Alex Becker. Welcome back to another one of my videos, you freaking idiots. All right, guys. I told you guys I took profits a lot lower. I sold my entire crypto portfolio. About, a lot of coins are up about, 50, 60% from those levels that I sold at, man. I told you guys there's zero chance that Bitcoin and Ethereum go up right now, right? That's why I sold my whole portfolio. Now we're going up higher, and I'm going to have to FOMO back in if it goes up higher, man. But it doesn't matter. Why? Because I'm beautiful. I have multiple businesses, and it doesn't matter if my crypto portfolio does well, okay? I am a genius. I have the bluest eyes in the world, and all you guys are going to be living in your mom's basement. Not even in your mom's basement. You guys are going to live in a cardboard box on the side of your mom's house because she kicked you out for not paying rent, all right? That's how much of an idiot you are, all right? Just watch. This is a bear market trap, and we're going back down to the downside, all right? Get ready for it and be ready to accumulate when Bitcoin goes back down to 17K, all right? Because I'll be ready there. All right, see you guys later. Peace out. Let me see the new green dude. Becker is the ultimate beta, wishing he was sick. But listen, man. I don't know, man. Everyone has their own tastes, I guess. All right, 1723 for ETH. But no, keep an eye on this, guys. Our 4-hour stock RSI is topped out as well. We have some signs that we could need a pullback. All right. Is the rally over? That's another question. That's another question here. We do have some technically some bearish signs here at the moment. So keep an eye at ETH. We've had a massive rally. Let's see if it has any more momentum to the upside. All right. A couple other things here. Let's go back to BTC. What BTC is doing. 23,822. So it's trying to hold up. Kind of just chilling. Kind of chilling like a villain. Psycho Pearl said, "You're my escape from depression." Listen, Psycho Pearl. You are your own escape from depression, okay? Why? Why is that? Because you're choosing to watch this stream. Why? Because it gives you some type of joy. And I appreciate you watching my stream, my man. And hopefully there's a lot of, I mean, I don't want people to be depressed, but hopefully there's a lot of people that I can at least, put at least a little bit of a smile on your face every day, or at least have someone to hang out with or something like that. So, listen, man. Crypto sucks right now. We're gonna get through it, and you're gonna be happy that you got through it, man. I'll tell you that. I've been through this before. It's not it's not the easiest time. I mean, I've been through this twice. I mean, last summer was awful too, for multiple different reasons. And listen, 2019 was not an easy year as far as crypto goes. 2018 was not an easy year as crypto goes. We're gonna get through it, all right? We got this, all right? And let's have fun while we're going through it, at least. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Because life is happy, man. Think about what you have in life, what you don't have in life. That's the key. Think about what you have in life, not what you don't have. Too many people think about what they don't have and not what they have. Okay? No, I'm not gonna get into this. I'm not gonna start spitting facts here, but this is what it is. All right, let's take a look at what we got going on here. So 23,832. Bitcoin still trying to hold these levels. Ultimately, I mean, the close should be okay today. It looks like we got a lot of room to work with here. And unless Bitcoin closes below 23,150, we're getting the close above the 50-day moving average, which we have not got a close above since, the last time we closed above was March 20th. I mean, we got to close above here. I mean, that was April 6th. So we're talking almost, 4 months since the last time that we closed above the 50-day EMA, right? So not too shabby whatsoever. Not too shabby. Happy and clappy? Of course, man. Of course. You saw your Crow? Yeah, Crow was another terrible one for me, man. I sell Crow into ETH. Crow does like a 10x. It is what it is. It happens, man. And that it wasn't a little amount of money, at least for me. So hey, you live and you learn. All right. A couple other alts. We'll go through a couple other alts. Waterfly said a day without Jordan is like a day without sunshine. Okay. I love it, Waterfly. I love it, man. I thought you actually said something that was that was trolling me, I do. I thought some of you was trolling me. All right. Let's go see what else we got here. Jumper said, what do the yellow vector candles really mean? They mean that a higher, so you're getting a higher amount of volume than the previous, I believe it's the previous 10 candles before it. So basically what they show you is that you're seeing a high volume coming in on these candles, right? Not just high volume, but higher volume than the previous candles, which shows you that this is where the market maker is trying to get retail to either FOMO in or to try to short. Right? And usually what they do is they get people to commit there and they come back and take that liquidity at some point. Okay? To keep it super, super simple.
What do the yellow vector candles
To keep it super, super simple, in like a basic way. Obviously, there's probably a more advanced way to explain it, but you get the point. Let's see. QNT. You can check out QNT. Has he talked about ETH yet? Yeah, we just talked about ETH. Ethereum Classic. We talked about Ethereum Classic, my man. All right. So, what else we got? What else we got? Where's Bitcoin sitting at? 23,833. So Clint is currently winning the bet at the moment. Unfortunately. You know? Unfortunately, man. Right now we're seeing a weird pattern in the charts though. A very, very weird pattern. Let's see what my man Market Makers has to say. He sees something really weird, really weird in the chats, my man. Really weird in the chats. Hold on. He has something interesting to say. Oh, wait. Actually, he's going to be on someone else's stream. Hold on. Guys, let's go tune into another stream real quick. We have someone else's stream right here. The 77th biggest channel in the cryptoverse. Guys, today, we're going to talk about, a couple of different things in the chart. We have a new guest on today, Market Makers. A lot of people, you guys, have been asking for Market Makers. Get out of my chat. TJ, can you get this guy out of my freaking chat? He's super low IQ. He doesn't know anything. Okay? Stop making fun of the way I look, even though I make fun of Jeanette Yellen and Gary Gensler every day. Okay? Stop making fun of me in the chat. Stop. Only I can make fun of people. No one else can. Okay? You're low IQ for doing that. You're a terrible person for doing that, even though I do it every day. All right. So, what else we got going on? We're going to have Market Makers on the chat right now. Market Makers, come on the chat. Talk some charts. See what you're telling us right now.
Hold on.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's Brendan from Market Makers. Guys, we have a super bearish pattern on the charts right now. You can see it unfolding. What do we see right now? What kind of pattern do we have? We have a bearish beaver pattern on the charts. You guys can see it right here. You guys can see it. We have a bearish beaver. Why is it a bearish beaver? You can see the tail coming in, right? This is the tail right here. This is the body of the beaver. And right now, you do have right here the head coming in on the bearish beaver. Where is the target of the bearish beaver? Well, you want to see bearish divergence on the head of the bearish beaver. The target of the bearish beaver is all the way back down right here at this wick. This wick is the penis of the beaver, okay? So if we extend this wick out, okay, and we come back down to the target, which is that penis of the beaver right here, that's 22,500 is the penis. So watch out for the target. We are going back down to the penis of the beaver, and we will take it, okay? We will take that penis for all it is, all right? So that's it. That's all I have to say, guys. Make sure you guys join my trading group. Links in the description down below. No, Market Makers, you can't shill your trading group in here. You can't. You're banned from my stream, man. You're banned. All right. Anyways, the bearish beaver, man. The bearish beaver. All right. Let's get rid of the bearish beaver. Let's get serious in the chat, because that's why we're here. We're here for serious TA. That's why we're here. Serious TA. All right. Let's jump into the chat. So, we guys say it in here. Galata said ETC is a dead project, so it being up 60% is just dumb in my opinion. Seriously? Hold on. Ah, man. Let's see. The beaver. Guys are funny in the chat, man. Seriousness? Okay, you got it, Hamilton. Seriousness, just for you. Just for you, my friend. All right, let's see. So what do we got? Let's check out some Solana. Let's do some TA and some altcoins, shall we? Let's see what we got. All right, so Solana. What do we got going on? Someone said just got on the chat and there was a talk of beavers and wangs. That's funny, man. That's funny. You guys are funny, man. All right, so Solana was able to get back above the 50 EMA on the daily. Awesome stuff. That's the orange moving average that we have here. All right. Daily stocks have crossed back to the upside. No bearish div on Solana. So Solana actually doesn't look too bad. All right. Now, what can we expect? We're still in this channel. Okay, you guys see this little channel here? We got to move to the downside, up, down, up, down, up. So we did break this downtrend of resistance as well. So if you're going based off history, can we see Solana come back up to test the top of this channel? Okay, quite possibly, right? Like we said, you got your daily stocks that crossed at the bottom here. The last couple times you crossed right here, come back to the upside, crossed right here, came back to the upside, crossed right here, came back to the upside. So you've got a nice cross there, all right? Let's go look at the 4-hour time frame real quick. Same thing on the 4-hour. 4 hours looking a little toppy. So it's the same as BTC. Short term, all right? Short term is different than the daily. Quite possibly you could see a move back down to retake some of these candles. You got this giant wick here in the 4-hour, and you got this vector candle back here in the 4-hour too. So a move back down to retest the 50 EMA probably makes some sense. Get the 50 EMA coming up. Short term, retest, looking for a continuation after that. All right, so reset the 4-hour to the downside, try to come back up on the daily. Okay, that's obviously assuming that Bitcoin can hold up here, because Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin is daddy matty. All right, let's see what you guys are saying in here. Holy KDA, 1 minute chart is wild. Let's see. Let's see. Kennedy said, I'm sad my membership benefits don't work. Kennedy, I'm looking at the chat right now, my friend. I can see that you are a mod, but not a member, right? Usually the members have the little Vikings next to their names. It might just be a glitch. So look it up on your account, my friend. Look it up on your account, because I'm not seeing the little Viking next to your name, all right? So that might be the reason there. So make sure you look at your account, my friend. But I know you remember before, so that might just be something going on there, all right? Bull trap. Too many red flags for if blockchain Solana has trouble. Crypto's based off hype, man. Like, we can talk fundamentals all you want. What were the biggest gainers in 2021? Doge, Shiba, ADA that didn't do shit at the time. Okay, so let's remember, crypto is hype. Crypto's about hype. It's not, fundamentals do matter, okay, up to a certain point, but hype matters more than fundamentals, at least at the current stage of crypto. All right, let's keep it real. Okay, you're gonna have the fundamentalists come out of the woodwork. They're gonna get pissed at me for saying this, right? The fundamentalists are gonna come out like this.
Fundamentals do matter. Okay? Fundamentals do matter. Okay? Hype doesn't mean shit without fundamentals. Fundamentals matter. Okay? They do. So get it right. Doge and Shiba only pumped because idiots were buying it. They have no fundamentals and no use case. Okay? Fundamentals matter.
Let's be honest, man. Let's be honest. Yeah. Fundamentals in the current stage of crypto do not matter. They will at some point, but not right now. Right? That's Uncle Bill. That's Uncle Bill. Let's see. Emotions control the market. Facts. All right. Who's this freak? That's Uncle Bill, man. Don't call my bro. That's way too real looking. He said. That's funny. Bam Bam said I used to date that guy. Oh God, Bam Bam. You used to date that guy? Holy moly, man. All right. Let's see. So let's continue on here. What else we got? What else we got on the charts? Bitcoin still trying to hold up here. So as it came back down to test that 50 EMA. So nothing crazy going on right now. Nothing crazy. Guys, we got almost 1,200 people in here. We got 400 likes. Let's smack up the like button. Let's hit, okay? Let's hit 600 likes right friggin' now. You guys know you want me to beat Clint on this bet, by the way. So, if there's any whales out there, you know, just get Bitcoin below 23,800, and then you can pump it back up if you want, okay? If there's any whales. Dale, I know you're out there, my friend. I saw you in the chat earlier. You said Bitcoin gonna pump, right? I saw you there. Pump it up, my man. Or sorry, dump it. Just for a little bit. Like dump a little bit and then pump it. All right, let's see. What else we got? Because we had some big gainers on the day. Uniswap. Holy moly, it's getting a little pullback right now, but Uni's still up 50% of the day, even though it's pulled back a little bit. Can we get a pump song for Uni, my friends? Let's get it. Let's go to the daily on Uniswap. Holy moly, man. I was looking at Uniswap earlier, and I was like, freaking Christ, man. I didn't buy any Uniswap. Come on, man. But there we go. Congratulations to everyone that owns Uni. That's a pretty big move to the upside. Do not be afraid to take profits. I will say it again. Do not be afraid to take profits. But let's get hype in the chat for all my Uniswap out there, my man. Let's get it. Come on. What's on my ear? What are you talking about? What's on my ear, man? Aw, shit. Again? Aw, man. I was painting a picture earlier, and I guess I have a little bit of blue paint on me. Ah, shit. That could be paint or it could be toothpaste. I brushed my teeth before the stream, too. Shit, man. That's embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. These guys said jizz. Whose jizz is blue? Whose jizz is blue? Probably Bob's.
Who doesn't have blue jizz? I thought that was normal. Mom, there's something not normal with me. I need to go to the doctor. No, you don't want to know. I can't tell you what it is. But we need to go to the doctor right now. They're saying it's not normal to have blue. Beep! What does that mean? Yeah, check my sock. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to show you. Here, you can see my sock. You want to see my sock?
Oh, man, the good old days, man. Bob, the good old Bob days, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right. Cold Blue Mountain Dew. Cold Dew Mountain Dew. The Brainy Swerve. Guys, we're hitting 1,000 likes today. I'm not messing around, all right? When we're bearish, I might be a little passive on the like shilling. But we're not going to be bearish on that today. Smack up the like baton, all right? Don't make me bring out the Instagram meme, because I will. I will. All you stingy mother blankers. Oh, man. All right, here we go. 22,836. What else we saying in the chat here? Felipe wants to check out CKB. Psycho Pearl said 15K FTM or 75K Gala. Got some cash to gamble. I like both of those projects. I would go Gala, man. You know, don't take it for what. Don't take it my advice as advice. But you do you. I'm going Gala with that one. Gala's still so freaking low. I mean, Phantom is too, but Gala's like literally still at its lows. You know what I mean? Gala's still at its lows, man. Let's go. Let me check out Gala real quick. I mean, if you look at where Gala is, I mean, look at where Gala is. It hasn't even really pumped yet. So if Bitcoin does want to pump, which I mean, right now we're speculating that it's going to go higher. You know, quite possibly. We still need to break the previous highs before we get super bullish. Like we said, we've done this before. But if it does, look where Gala is. Look at the pattern that it's in. You know I love my wedge formations on the daily. Look at the wedge formation on the daily time frame. All right? Look at the wedge formation on the daily time frame. Not going to say it's going to play out, you know, 100%. But you know I love my wedge formations. Look at the daily wedge. Okay? Right at the lows. I'm going Gala with that one. You do you. You do you, my friend. You do you. Chewy said Gala is dead. Gala looks juicy for a future house. I think so too, my man. You can't go wrong with Phantom too, though. You know? You do you. Chewy said, sorry, boss. Chewy, I told you in the Discord not to troll me too much, my man. I told you. CKB for Felipe. I'll check out CKB real quick. Alright? CKB. Blue jizz. Alright, let's see CKB. Possible breakout? Yeah, we're looking to get a close. I mean, you try to break out. You still got some work to do, though. I'm looking for a close above all, like this close resistance line. You see this? You see this? You want to get a break back above here. We are breaking the 50, and you are trying to moon, but you got to break this sort of neckline. It's a little bit kind of like a awkward cup and handle pattern. You know, it's sort of one of those meme cup and handles where you can find a cup and handle really on any pattern, on any chart, really. Show me a chart, I'll show you a cup and handle pattern. But You got a cup, you got a handle off the 20 EMA, you're back above the 50, so it's there, but you gotta break the little old neckline here. If you want to measure move, okay, I know everyone loves measure moves, okay, everyone loves measure moves. Take that to the upside. Gives you a target of 0.008 or 0.8 of a cent. So take it for what you will, my man. But you got to break out first. It comes back to like 0.0045 basically to break out. All right. Let's check Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin gonna do, guys? Let me know in the chat. Are you bullish on Bitcoin or bearish on Bitcoin in the chat right now? Let me know. We got 2 minutes until the daily close. All right. Shane, what's going on? Soul, dude, I went to the store and held the saga. Nice, man. Want to look at Soul real quick? Yeah, we looked at Soul a little bit earlier, but Soul, yeah, Soul 42.97. So yeah, Soul got a nice breakout, man. Soul got a nice breakout. I wouldn't be surprised if Soul got a short-term pullback, like we said earlier, and then came back up to test the top of the channel. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised whatsoever. But we talked about it a little bit earlier. I'm not gonna go over it again. But you get the point. Let me see. Beaverish on Bitcoin. Beaverish. Bullish for another day or two, said Max. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm not gonna hate anyone's opinion. Everyone's opinion's everyone's opinion, man. As we've seen in the crypto market, is anyone right 100%? No. Okay. So I'm not gonna take anyone's opinion wrong. Okay. If someone wants to say Bitcoin's going to 10K, I'm not gonna hate on you for it. If someone wants to say Bitcoin's going to 40K, in the next month, I'm not going to hate on you for it. Okay? You do you. You do you. Let's see. Everyone's opinion matters, man. Let me see. The phone felt legit. Nice, dude. Oh, you got the Soul phone. I got what you're saying, man. You got the Soul phone? How is the Soul phone? Anyone else have the Soul phone in the chat? Let me know, man. I got to look that up. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Like, how's the Soul phone? I need to know some deets on the Soul phone, man. And bullish. Clint wins? No! Well, it's not bad. That's not bad, man. I'm not mad about that. What I'll do, since Clint won, we'll do this. We'll give away. Am I feeling bullish or bearish right now? Am I feeling bullish or bearish? Let me know in the chat. We'll give away. Let's see. We'll do two things. Two different criteria here. We'll give away 5 memberships right now, and we'll give away another 5 memberships if by the end of the stream we can hit 1,000 likes. That's the only way. It's the only way we give away another 5. Okay, so 5 now, 5 if we hit 1,000 likes. All right. Let's do it, my man. Let's do it. But we'll not 5 now. We'll wait a little bit, but I'll do 5 at the end of the stream. Okay? 5 at the end of the stream, my man. Am I bearish? the soul phone. Bullish. Interesting. Bearish. Hello? Give away these nuts. Give away these nuts, my man. That's too funny, dude. Let's see. Wayne say, give a membership to all your mods. I want to, but you can't. Unfortunately, you can't choose who gets it. You can't. It's a dumb system. You can't choose who gets it. You can only. It's only random. It's sort of a dumb system, if you know what I mean. Probably always out of service. That's a good joke, man. That's definitely a good joke. All right, so we got the daily close. We got the daily close for BTC. Did we win the battle? Let's see. Vikings, we have failed to close above 24,250. But the thing about Bitcoin is it always lives to fight another day. So now today, all day, all night, we will fight to get back above 24,250. The bears might push us back a little bit. We might have a slight pullback on our army, but we will fight back and we will break the enemy lines going into tomorrow. So here we go. gets ready for a massively bullish day going into tomorrow. We will break this resistance and leave all the bears who didn't want the DCA behind. Okay? And they will cry and they will FOMO in at higher prices. That's all I have to say for tonight. Adios, my fellow bulls. Fights with honor and fights with fierceness. I think I should be in one of those movies, man. I really think I could star in one of those movies. Is like the guy who hypes everyone up. I really do. Let me know in the chat. Do you guys think I could go into one of those movies and just hype everyone up? Let me know. All right, 22,884. So, Bitcoin got the daily close. It's sort of just hovering. Here's what I'll say about the price action, though, real quick. Here's what I'll say about it. If we look down here, okay, does the price action look sort of similar to the price action we had over here? Okay, it's creeping me out a little bit, actually. It's not the same, but here's sort of my take on this. And I'm not going to say it's going to play out the same way, but if we look at it, it's creeping me out. Just a little bit. I mean, I don't know about you guys. Let's take a look. Let's take this price. What is this? Let's take this price action and put it over this price action. And let's squeeze it down a little bit, man. Let's squeeze it down into Goblin Town real quick. All right? Now, I'm not going to say it's going to play out the same way. You guys love to troll, all right? All my trolls to chat. What you guys don't understand is you can't troll the troll, my man. You can't troll the troll. You know what I'm saying? You can't troll the troll. That's what we call a fractal. If you want to call it a fractal, I mean, you guys do what you want to do here. Obviously, it's not the same. But we did see that first rise. We came back up. We pulled back to the 50 EMA. We kind of hovered on it for a little bit before it rose up again. You know, listen, it's not perfect, but the general price structure is sort of the same. Even back here, we even had this bearish divergence. You see back here, we even had this higher high and lower high structure right here on the 15-minute. Same type of deal. We had this bearish div. We pulled back, reset it, and then we rose back to the upside again. We'll see, right? Just speculation. We'll see. It is the same. So if we would expect it to go up again, we're probably waiting on Bitcoin to come back down and test that 50 EMA again. Or get some fake outs below it. Did you get that from Blockchain Backer Boy? Blockchain Backer Boy? What is this? What is this, man? Bull flag on the 15-minute? Could be. Could be. I mean, what we could watch here, too, is we know we had that bearish divergence, which the 15-minute bearish div already kind of played out. The problem is the hourly bearish div. You could maybe make the argument that it really hasn't. All right? You can maybe make the argument of that. You know, it is what it is. Clint coming in. What's going on, Clint? He said, I'd like 150 of this super chat to go to someone in the stream tonight. For gas, groceries, dry powder, or whatever might help. Times are tough. Give back while you can. Good luck, my friends. We can do that. We can certainly do that. I want to find a better way to do it, though. Because I hate the way where I just kind of, look through it, and we kind of do that thing. Right? I kind of hate that way. So, we would do that. Well, we're going to give away, you know what? Screw it. We're going to give away, okay, $150 from that. And you know what? Screw it. We're just going to do 10 memberships. I don't even care about the 1,000 likes. If you hit the like button, I appreciate it. We're also going to give away 10 memberships as well. All right? So, shout out to my guy, Clint, man. Shout out to my guy, Clint. We're going to do that in just a second. So, make sure you hang out at the end of the stream. I want to make sure that, you know, we're not freaking just sitting here for 20 minutes doing that right here in the middle of the stream here. But, yeah. $150 giveaway, and we're going to give away 10 memberships too. All right? So, let's do this. Man, it's freaking busy up in here right now. Look at the chat, man.
Link was cited by the official website of the Economic Forum as the main Web 3.0 asset. Should we buy everything?
Oh, look at the chat, my man. I won't win. Let's see. Nice. Clintus. Jay earned some likes. Thank you, Alexander, man. All right. Anyways. Excuse me, man. I'm freaking coughing up a storm over here. Kennedy coming in, so that's dope. Kennedy coming in hot. We had Kennedy said, I respect the work ethic and growth. Thanks, Kennedy. Listen, I enjoy doing this. See, like, Listen, I enjoy doing this. Even through the bad times, I generally enjoy, I'm not going to say every day. 99% of the days I enjoy hopping on here. This is sort of my, it's sort of my, how should I say this? How should I say this? I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but I actually enjoy doing this. I'm not going to say it's hard coming on here every single day, because it's not, because I enjoy it, right? And that's why I think everyone should do something that they enjoy. So, yeah, man, listen, like, obviously, you know, during the bearish times and you're a bull, it's not easy to get trolled every single day. Listen, it doesn't really affect me. I know it affected other crypto tubers, and a lot of them took breaks and things like that and shit, but it doesn't really affect me, right? But I enjoy coming on here every single day. It doesn't really affect me. So I appreciate the saying you respect the work ethic, but to me, I enjoy it, so it's not that hard for me. I'm going to be honest. So I will say that. But anyways, you almost quit today, said David. I did almost quit today. You guys fell for it in the chat. A lot of you guys were saying rip. Good luck in your endeavors, bro. That was sort of funny. You got a lot of you guys were trying to fall for it, man. It really was. It really was. All right, but anyways, are those your real ears, or did you get them off Mr. Potato Head? Nice joke, man. I actually got some blue shit on my ear. A lot of you guys didn't notice. Some of you guys noticed today. It's like a new Where's Waldo thing. You guys have to notice something wrong with the stream every single day. It's like the Where's Waldo. I'm probably going to do that from now on. There's got to be something weird on the stream every day, and you have to try to notice what it is. So it's like a weird Waldo thing. Okay? It's weird, Where's Waldo. Maybe we'll do a little contest with that. Well, I'm going to do something sketchy on the stream, and the first person that notices the sketchy thing gets some type of prize. Maybe we'll do that every single day. I kind of like that. I kind of like that idea. Let me know if you like that idea. It'll get me a little creative on trying to hide it, too. And try to make it see if none of you guys can find it. Anyways. That's a good idea. There's usually something wrong with Jordan. There is. Miz. I mean, you think a guy if sits up here and goes like this?
Whoa! Look at the Bitcoin! It is bullish! Bitcoin is at 24K? We are so bullish! This is no more manipulation! There's no manipulation when we pump, only when we dump. Only when we dump this manipulation. This is totally normal price action. You think someone's normal when they do that? Come on, man. All right. Anyways, I'm going to jump back into it here. So we got that in Solana. Happy birthday, Jordan St. Hamilton. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. All right. So I always wonder what my neighbors thought about the stream every single day. You know? They must think I'm jacked up, or there's a whole, like I said, they either think I'm jacked up, or someone, it's like a whole family lives in here, and the whole family's jacked up. One of the two. Anyways, I used to hate horse guy, but he grew on me. Of course he did. Of course he did. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this. It's 8:11, so we got a lot of time left to go on the stream. Let me see here. Kirchmar said Chainlink was cited by the official. You love to shout out Chainlink, my man. Listen, I love Chainlink, right? I love freaking Chainlink. Don't get me wrong, man. you love coming in here and chilling Chainlink. That's fine. If you want to chill Chainlink, you do you, man. You do you. Just don't shill like some super low cap coin. If you want to shill something, at least make it like a top 100 coin or something. So shout out to Kirk Mayer with the Chainlink shill, man. Shout out to you, dude. All right. Warwick said, I'm from Crocaine. Dog, choose me. I'm your Pokemon. I'm a little weirded out, Warwick. I'm not choosing you for my Pokemon, man. I'm taking Pikachu all day. All right. So, your neighbors moved. They probably did. They probably did. That crazy lady downstairs, I don't want to call her crazy. I want to stay positive. That lady who's a little grumpy downstairs, okay, we haven't heard her in a long time, right? Either we pissed her off enough, or I pissed her off enough, or she moved out because she couldn't take the yelling anymore. One of the two. So she might be gone, man. She might be gone. Remember the one who called me an idiot?
You guys were here. She yelled up above the ceiling and said, "Shut up, you freaking idiot!" And that was a funny day. You guys remember that stream? That was a really funny day. All right, let's go check out some other different stuff that might be moving up here. All right, Gala. Gala's right on the edge of breaking out, man. Right on the edge of glory. I'm waiting for Gala to break out of this wedge formation. Gala's gonna be my ticket, man. I'm telling you, man. I just love how where it is in the trend. It just it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Link 727. Link also coming up here. Look at Link. Link also might be breaking resistance right now too. Link up about only 1%, but it's peeking its head over this resistance. We want to see where it closes tomorrow. But Link's another one that's still really hasn't gotten the major breakout yet. I'm looking for Link to break out too. Solana trying to continue back up to the upside here, up about 1% on the new day. Nothing crazy, but still trying to get some momentum to the upside here. As we said, Solana, got the daily cross. Could see it moving back up to the top of the channel here. Not too shabby. Let's see. Let's see. Jordan probably screaming while she's probably watching her favorite TV show. Maybe. Jordan said Gala Moon. Gala on the wedge of glory. Yeah. What else do we got? Matic. I mean, everything looks like it's trying to come up a little bit. Bitcoin's still just holding steady here, though. Jordan still makes a show even though the stream's over. The conversation never ends between him and his multiple personalities. What do you guys think I get off and I still do that? Come on, man. That's not me, by the way. That's my family. I do have conversation with my family off stream. You know? I do. Trust me, I do. All right. We have anything else really going down here? The last level I'm looking at for BTC, man, I'm looking for it to break the previous high and break out of the bear flag. Right now, it's still in the bear flag, man. I want to get out of this, so I don't have to talk about this stupid thing anymore. Because right now, we're still in it. And I don't want to talk about this stupid bear flag anymore. You know? I'm sick of talking about bear flags. I'm sick of talking about this one. I'm sick of talking about this one. And I'm sick of talking about this one. But we're still in it right now. So, let's see if we can break back above it today, man. Or, I guess, technically tomorrow. Which is technically today. Alright, let's do the giveaway, man. Let's do the giveaway. I think it's time. To do the giveaway. Let's start with the memberships, okay? And then we'll do the big doozy. Okay, guys, I will say it again. You want a higher chance of winning the membership giveaways. You gotta like up the stream, and you gotta type in the chat. The more you interact with the streams, the more you have a chance of winning these, okay? So, here we go. I'll be right back. I gotta get my my payment method here, so I can give away the 10 memberships, okay? And then we'll do the Clint one right after, all right? So give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back, all right? Warwick said, "How's your Sea Rocket doing?" Sea Rocket's probably not doing great. We'll check out Sea Rocket in a second, Warwick. All right, let me be right back. I'm gonna go get payment method here. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Fumble said, "I don't need a handout. I'm a grown man." Fumbles, don't be trolling me, my man. Don't be trolling me, buddy. All right, I'll be right back. Hold up. I might not be wearing pants, so if you see my underwear, I apologize.
How's your Sea Rocket coin doing? Lol, love the show.
Guys, if you see my underwear, I'm sorry. If you see I might not be wearing pants. Oh, man. I will say again, guys. Do you think I'm wearing pants? Yes or no in the chat. Is Jordan wearing pants? Let me know, man. Let me know. Because I might not be wearing pants. It might be pretty brutal right now. All right, let's do this. How do I do this? Oh yeah, I have to go to over here to my channel like this. I gotta click on this right here. Bitcoin's coming right back. Pretty brutal right now. Oh god. Apologize if you hear that, guys. All right, you got to go right here. I got to click right here. I got to click membership gifting. And we're going to do 10 memberships. Okay. There we go.
Chainlink was cited by the World Economic
Let's
Forum
buy.
recently as precursors to Web 3.0.
Hold on one second, guys. Hold on one second.
Could you make a video about it? Or leaf clover?
Let me verify. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. There we go, man. Boom! Boom in the chat. Who won? Let me know in the chat. All right, we got Easy who won. We got your mom won. No, shit, I don't want your mom to win. Such a troll, man. We got Gerald who won. We got Greg. We got Nick Merckx. Okay, who we got? Who else we got? Who else we got? Let me go back up here. Who else we got? Gerald. We got, who else we got? I'm trying to see who else we got, man. It only shows me 5. Oh, here we go. They're coming in. They're coming in hot and heavy right now. Your mom? Your mom? It only shows me 5, but it said 10. Gerald? Okay. Lee won. Super won. Nice, nice, nice. G-Man. I think I win. Nice. All right. Now let's do the Clinton one. I need to find a better way to do the Clinton one here, though. All right. Let's do this. Waterfly? Waterfly won? How did Waterfly win? Not me? Wayne. I don't know why Wayne's not winning. I want Wayne to win so bad, man. I want Wayne. It's no offense to anyone else, man. Okay? I want Wayne to win so bad. All right, here we go. So Bitcoin's coming back down right now. We're going to do the Clinton one in just a second, guys. Bitcoin's coming back down right here. 23,717. All right, here we go. 23,706. Bitcoin's coming back down right now, guys. Are we going to see a massive dumpage, or is this going to be the start of what we did last time? Which is what last time Bitcoin did, was it came back down to that 50 EMA, had a big wick back down, came back up, closed back above it. We said the price action was sort of similar. Are we going to see the same thing happen again here, guys? All right. We said on the hourly time frame. We said this early in the stream. If we get a pullback, look for 23,200. Right. We got some previous highs over there. We got yellow vector candle looking left, and we also have the bearish divergence on the hourly time frame. Right. So short-term pullback was what the charts were telling us. You know, Bitcoin does whatever it wants to do, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it usually. But short-term pullback was likely. So let's see if it pulls back more or if it just holds up at the 50 EMA. Let's watch what we do here at the 50 EMA. Because it looks like the 50 EMA is also going to be that M formation high. Right? You see it right here. We have this wick. That's the M formation low, man. We had the first hit. We had the second hit. Little stop hunt deviation to the upside. Now we're coming back down. Can we hold the 50 EMA? That's going to be the question here. If we break that, we're coming back down probably to 23.2. All right, let's see what we do here. Let's see, man. Go home. Your mom, I'm just trolling you. I appreciate if you're watching every day. I do. You know I'm just trolling you, though. Everyone's like, I don't want your mom to win. I'm just trolling. Your mom, I know you will love me. I know that people who come here and troll me every day actually love me, okay? It's out of love. Just ask Clint, you know? Just ask Clint. He trolls me every day. It's out of love. At least I think it's out of love, you know? All right, let's see. Let's see what we do here. 30,751. Let's see. Rigged? You guys love to say rigged. You do. All right. Let's watch some short-term price action, man. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum's coming back down to test that $1,700 level. Will that level hold? All right. 1,700 was the big level for Ethereum. Looking left. 2 previous supports looking left. 3 previous supports looking left over here. You were able to get back above that level and reclaim it. Now you're going to be able to hold it on the back test. Let's find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. All right? Lauren said, did I win? Lauren, unfortunately you didn't win. Not rigged? Whoever won is rigged. Whoever didn't win is not rigged, basically. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. I love a good back test. Jabba loves a good back test right now. You don't want to know what Jabba's doing again. He's just getting ready for the dump right now.
Melissa! Yes! Melissa, yes. No, sorry, I can't bend over. I can't bend over. No, you're good. Right there. You're right. Yeah, right there. No, hold on. I'll move my left fat real quick. Here we go. Let me lift it up for you. Yeah, it's so freaking heavy. I can't even lift it up. I can't lift it up for you. Hold on. No, come back. No. What do you mean you don't want to do it anymore? Come back. No. Come back. I'm rich. Come back. You think just because you're rich I want you, Jabba? I'm going back to Clint. You can't even lift up your own fat for me. I'm going back to Clint. Hey, Clinty boy, where are you? Clint? I want you, Clint. You're balding old ass. All right.
Anyways, man. My left. All right. Let me get back over here. Let me go back over here. All right. Let me change this. There we go. Thick. All right. Anyways, 23,720. Here we go. Come on, BTC. Show us some price action here. Don't give us the old Bart Simpson M pattern waddly woo here. We don't want to see nothing with that. We want to see nothing to do with that. All right. Here we go. This is his third. Jordan Camirand after hours. Oh Lord. All right, here we go. We're getting dirty in here, man. No pun intended. All right, here we go. What we don't want to see is a rejection from this point, obviously, man. We don't want to see a rejection from this point. Creighton said, "Is it weird that Jordan's job is women?" Oh God, that's wrong. David said, all the sideliners should be buying this dip. Told you a while ago, bottom is in. Now appears the economic bottom is in. Not financial advice. All right, David's coming in. With the I told you so's. Hey, nothing wrong with the I told you so's, man. You know, just don't think anything is 100% in this market. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin's at 10K in 2 months. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin's at 40K in 2 months. Nothing surprises me in this market. Nothing does. Like I told you guys, the last 2 years has been a shit show for crypto. We've pumped, we've dumped. Would I be surprised if we pump right back up again? No. It's just been a big pump, dump, ride the waves. You know? All right. What else do we got here? 100%? All right, here we go. All right, I think we're caught up there, which is good. We're caught up. 100K tomorrow, is it, Dan? I wouldn't be surprised. You never know with friggin' Bitcoin, man. All right, let's see. Correlating nicely to the Wyckoff distribution. Oh, the Wyckoff distribution. Yeah, I mean, the Wyckoff distribution. Normally what we see for the Wyckoff distribution is this. If we want to keep it super bearish, we see the first hit to the upside, second hit, higher high, third hit, higher high. We move back up, make a lower high, and we come back down. You know, so don't shoot the messenger. That's typically what we see. Okay, a perfect example of that would be back up here. Okay, it's actually I don't want to be like a super bear right now. I'm trying to stay positive today. But you're right. Whoever said that in the chat, right? It was the first hit, You made a second higher high. You made a third higher high. You came back down. You came back up, made a lower high, and you came back down to the downside. So in theory, okay, we like theories here. That is the classic Wyckoff distribution pattern. Okay, the classic Wyckoff distribution pattern. So, like we said, we're not out of the woods yet, guys. You know, and that's why I said, yes, maybe I'm feeling slightly more bullish than I have in a little bit. Doesn't mean I think we're out of the woods yet. We got to break this previous high, and we got to break out of this bear flag before we get like uber bullish. Okay, if we do those two things, all right, cool. We're cooking. But right now, we still got some work to do. We're not out of the woods yet. We're very, very close. Very, very close.
Jordan, where the hell are we get out of these woods? What kind of woods are we in? A freaking giant bush that never ends? Every day you're like, if we break this, we're bullish. It breaks. If we break this, we're bullish. It breaks. No, wait, we're not bullish yet. If it breaks this, we're bullish. How many things do we have to get out? When are these woods gonna end? I'm sick of being in these freaking woods. It's like a fairy tale. It's like crying. It's like we're never getting out of these freaking woods. I hate these stupid woods.
Bob's getting right out of the woods, man. The Amazon woods. Holy moly, man. Bob's sick of the woods. I'm sick of the woods. Oh, man. He's not wrong, though. All right, here we go. Bitcoin's coming back down. We're getting a vector candle coming in, which means we're seeing some volume on this dump. We're seeing some volume on this dump. I just want to tell you guys, we did see some volume on these dumps down here, right? We did see some volumes on the dumps down here. Big volume dump, came back up. Big volume dump, came back up. All right, so let's see what we do here, because we're seeing some volume coming in. We got 1 minute to the 15-minute close. Is this going to be a spike back down before they try to bring it back up again? Let's see. We still haven't broken that M formation neckline, which is 23A. We still haven't broken that yet. I love the woods. Nice. Kareem coming in with the super chat. Shout out to Kareem. All right, while we wait for Bitcoin to have some price action here, so it looks like most alts are coming back down a little bit too. Okay, which is fine. Bitcoin's coming back down. That's what we do here. Holy moly, Stumbledore coming in with the $50 super chat. Holy moly. You guys are crazy today, man. Stumbledore said, I invested plus minus 50K in crypto. Celsius took 40K of it. I'm surprisingly optimistic. All right, this went from like bullish to bearish, man. Stumbledore, that sucks, my man. For me, the sky is falling. Anxiety is my close companion. But I know it can't fall forever. I manage a new 10K since. Hustles and struggle. Never give up. Stumbledore. That absolutely sucks, my man. That sucks. But I will say this, man. I will say this. And I don't mean to sound like some preacher. Okay? I don't mean to sound like some preacher. But you can't dwell on the shitty things that happen to you. Okay? So you said you had 10K. Now you made 10K of it back. So you're sitting at 20K. Listen. We know, as we know with crypto can literally double in a split second, my man. It might take a little bit, right? It might not be today. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be 3 months from now. It might not be 6 months from now. Stumbledore, you stick in the game, okay? You will get that money back, my friend, okay? And you will make significantly more of that money back, all right? Keep your head in the game, my friend. You will get through it. The worst times get you through the best times. Right? The best way to probably think of that is just that the bear market went down another 80% and you're going to make that shit back when the market comes back up, my man. All right? That's all you can do now. Don't dwell on the bad times. Look forward and look at it this way, that now you're getting cheaper deals to buy more crypto if you want to. And when we go back up, you're going to make more than you did before. Okay? That's all you can do. That's all you can do, my man. So that sucks, my dude. But that's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty awesome, man. Like you're gonna make it back, man. You're gonna make it back. Don't worry. Slow split second. Slow split second. It could be a slow split second, yes, but nevertheless. Let's see. Ethereum is the best time to buy. Yeah. Okay. I mean, a lot of people went through horrible things, and you can't dwell on horrible things. Whatever it is in life. It's not just with crypto, man. It's not just with crypto, man. It's like, yeah, everyone goes through horrible times, and you gotta just be able to push through it. You know what I mean? You got to, man. That's all you can do as a human is push through those times, right?
Passing the kindness forward.
All right.
Always
Let's do this. Let's jump on and let's do Clint's giveaway. I don't know a better way to do it right now, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way, man. I know you guys hate this way, and you're gonna say rigged. I promise I'm not rigging that. I have no reason to rig this, okay? I have zero reason to rig this. So I'm gonna bring this over like this, okay? So you guys can see that I'm not cheating, all right? I'm gonna simply bring this over like this, so you guys can see the chat, okay? This basically is everyone who's typed in the chat. I believe this is everyone who's typed in the chat in the last, I think it's like the last 10 minutes or something like that. So make sure you guys type in the chat. I'll give you a few minutes to type in the chat, and then we'll jump on into this. So make sure you guys type in the chat. I want to see you in the chat right now, actually. I want to see you in the chat. Let me see, man. I want to see you in the chat right here. Type in the chat so you guys can have a chance to win the giveaway. All right? And then I'm going to pick... I'm going to pick, if I can remember how. I forget now. Let me bring this back over here real quick. How did I get to that page? How did I just get to that? Oh, here we go. Type in the chat. I'll give you guys a few more minutes to type in the chat so you guys can get in there. And then, yeah, we'll go through it. We'll go through it, man. Your mom. That's awesome, dude. Passing the kindness forward. Always get back. Appreciate that, man. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome, man.
I'm there with you. Luna wrecked my life. I grabbed below 19K. Feeling
Oh, we got a lot of stories right now, man.
Back to my bags with every dollar. Positive as MF.
Yeah, man. You just got to be positive, man. You just got to fight back. That's it. All you can do as a human is just fight back through bad times. That's it, man. That's it. You can't dwell. The longer you dwell, the worse it is. You just got to fight back. I know you guys will. You guys will fight back because you're still here. You're still here. You're already one step of the way. And just remember, when crypto bounces back, you're not even going to remember those times, man. I'm telling you right now. You're not even going to remember those times, okay? It's a learning lesson, but you're still not going to remember those times. That's it. All right. You guys have enough time here, all right? Let me do this. Let me find something to cover my face here. Shit. What can I use to cover my face? I can't use this. I don't have pants on. I told you guys I don't have pants on here. I don't. I really don't have pants on, man. All right. Let's do this. Let's use my backpack. All right. Shout out to my backpack. I'm bullish on the backpack, man. All right. Let's cover it. I can't see shit. You guys clearly see I can't see shit. Let me, all right, basically what I'm going to do is if this can work here, why can I not scroll up and down? That's the problem here. Here we go. I can scroll up and down. All right, I'm going to scroll up and down and pick one random person here. I can't see shit, okay? I promise you, I can't see shit. I have no reason to cheat this. Okay. That's gone, I guess. Hold up. Let me reload this. Hold up, man. Hold up, man. I gotta reopen the chat, man. It just crashed for some reason, dude. It just crashed. All right, here. Hold up. It literally just crashed, man. Hold up, man. I can't believe this happened. It just literally crashed. All right, here we go. Let me go back over here. Let me go back to participants. Let me bring this back over here. All right, we're going to pick one random person, dude. Here we go, man. I'm going to scroll up and down, pick one random person. Here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, whoever the mouse is closest to wins. Here we go. Victor Perez. I saw Victor Perez. Victor Perez was the winner, man. I saw him. Before it moved, I saw Victor Perez. All right, Victor Perez, if you want to win, you got to go in the Discord. You got to send me a DM. If anyone sends me a fake DM, I know it's not going to be you because I have a way to prove it's not. It's the real person. All right? Send Victor Perez. Join the Discord. Send me a DM. Okay? You got to send me a DM. I'll get you a fresh link, by the way. Let me get you a fresh link to the Discord here. If you guys want to join the Discord, here's the link, by the way. Let me get back in here. Here's a little link for you. Discord link. Discord link. Make sure you join the Discord. I'm putting it in the link right now. All right? Okay? You got to do it. If you don't do it, it's not going to work. Okay? You got to get in there, man. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. My screen's frozen, guys. Hold on one second. My screen's frozen. The chat is literally going nuts. My computer can't even keep up with the chat right now. Okay? Victor Perez won, man. You got to join the Discord, and you got to, okay? You got to DM me, okay? You got to DM me. Don't be saying rigged. You guys are crazy, dude. You guys are crazy, man. All right. Here we go. 23,850. So Bitcoin is trying to come back up. It could just be retaking this vector candle here. So Bitcoin had the red vector, pushed it back down to the downside. Now it's trying to come back to the upside. Can we continue up now? All right, let's see if we can get back above that 20 EMA first. Looks like it's trying to here. Let's see what Bitcoin's got. Has Bitcoin got any juice to come back up here? And just absolutely reject that M formation. Because we had the M formation. If we come back up here, that completely nullifies that M formation. But the second formation that we don't want to see is we don't want to see that left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder here. Well, maybe we want to see the head, depending on what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Depends on what we're talking about here. But, oh shit! They're coming for Java.
No, I didn't steal anything. No, listen, officer, stop following me. I'm only running because I have no money. I'm getting liquidated left and right. I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose this idiot. He can't keep up with the Lambo.
Java's on the run right now. No, but let's see. That's what we don't want to see. That's what we don't want to see here, short term. All right, let me bring this back up here. There we go. There we go. Rigged chat manipulation. Oh, God, man. Let me see what you guys are saying in here. BTC looks ready to clap some cheeks. It looks like it's trying to clap some cheeks. But basically, what we don't want to see is Bitcoin come back up, make another lower high, and then come back down to the downside. Right? That's what we don't want to see here short term. Guys, we got 786 likes. The goal for today's stream, okay? I will say again, man, the goal for today's stream. Let me write this down real quick so I don't forget. Hold on. Let me do this. There we go. All right, there we go. I gotta write this down real quick so I don't forget who the winner was. All right. The goal for today's stream is 1,000 likes. We got 790. We could easily hit that. Easily. It's not even a question. It's not even a question, man. If you don't know how, well, if you don't know how, here's what I'll say to you, man. If you don't know how to like something on YouTube, okay, here's what I'll say to you if I'm going to be completely honest. You're a friggin' idiot if you know how to like a YouTube video. I'm 70 years old. My ball sacks hit the ground. One of my balls is gone. And even I don't know how to hit the like button. Are you serious? Hit the like up button up for Jordan. That's all he asked for from you. Hit the like button up. Okay? I told you. My balls are saggier than a piece of Jell-O on a hot, humid day. And I know where the like button is. Smack it. There is so much volume on the like button right now. All right? Stop being an idiot. Learn. Use YouTube. YouTube, how to hit the like button. Come on. Mike, man. I love Mike. Let me know in the chat if you love Mike. Mike is great. Some of you guys might not like Mike. He's a little mean. But yeah. All right, let's continue on here. Check out the S&P futures. It's been going up, and I think that could mean we continue going up. Whether that happens tonight or tomorrow, I have no idea. Let's go check the futures. Check the futures, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, man, look at those futures, man. Look at those futures. S&P up 0.5%. The NASDAQ, the futures are up 1.1, almost 1.2% already, man. Dow Jones pretty much flat, all right? But we're seeing some upwards momentum on the NASDAQ, right? That's freaking awesome, man. That is really, really freaking awesome. That's awesome. It means that it's good to see now. I mean, obviously that could change going into tomorrow, all right? But does that mean that we're going to see higher prices for Bitcoin? If the stock market goes up again tomorrow, you will see higher prices for Bitcoin. They are correlated almost perfectly lately, all right? So keep that in mind, man. I am excited for what's going to happen tomorrow if the stock market's open green, man. It's going to be exciting, dude. 13% up on Amazon. How are the futures up when we're in a recession? Because here's the thing. Everyone already knew we're in a recession. We don't need a technical term. And this is something that I have to wrap my head around too. We don't need to be technically told we're in a recession. I think all of us already knew a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago that we're in a damn recession. We don't need this technical term. We're in a recession. Look around. People don't have any friggin' money. Credit card usage at all-time highs. All right? Inflation going nuts. Right? Grocery store prices going nuts. We don't need to be told we're in a recession. We already knew this. You know what I'm saying? Rate hikes. We knew we were going to get a 75 basis point rate hike. That's why it's kind of been a nothing burger. If anything, it's been, people are expecting it. That's why we're going up. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, what else could they tell us until the next Fed meeting, right? Which the next FOMC meeting is coming up September. What else could they tell us between now and then that's going to dump the market? And that's another way to put it. Like, we already knew this. We don't need to be told. Okay, we've known that for months now. Everyone's like, oh my God, we're in a recession. No shit, numbnuts. We knew this. Oh, God, man. They still won't admit it, though. They still won't tell us we are, even though technically we are in a recession, technically speaking. Let's see. Difference is, usually in a recession, we lower rates and don't have inflation. Very true, very true. Let's see. What's going nuts right now? Anything going nuts? Oh, look at Gala. Come on, man. Look at Matic, too. Yeah. Matic, Gala, and Chainlink. Oh, 3 of my homies, man. The only coins on my watch list going nuts right now. Ah, man. Let me refresh. My chat went down again, man. The chat is going nuts tonight. My computer can't even handle the chat right now. The chat's excited tonight. Look at Matic, though. Matic going nuts again. Up another 3% already on the new day. Coming back up to test the highs. Let's get busy, man. Let's go. I'm going nuts there. Matic still has to break that previous high. I'm just having fun right now, man. I'm enjoying the green candles while we got them. I don't know how long they're going to last. I'm enjoying the green candles while we got them. All right, Matic up 3%. Looking juicy, man. Going back up to those highs. Chainlink. Breaking out like I told you guys Chainlink was going to break out, man. Come on, man. Let's get hype in the chat for Chainlink. Chainlink up 3% on the new day. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. And also, Gala's going nuts, too. Gala up 350. Gala's breaking out of the wedge. Shout out to the guy that asked me, I forget who it was. Someone asked me if they should buy Gala or Phantom. Shout out Gala up about 4% on the day already. I'm not going to play the pump song again. We heard it enough, man. We heard it enough. But yeah, it looks like a lot of alts are coming up right now. Maddox coming up. Gala's coming up. Chainlink. What else we got that's coming up pretty good? AVAX. AVAX is coming up a little bit here. Ada's coming up a little bit. Ada really hasn't done shit either, man. Ada's another one that, like, if you're looking at DCA still into something, Ada's another one of those coins that still really hasn't broken out yet, right? It's still just kind of hovering. I mean, its lows were at, like, the mid 40 cents. It's still at 52 cents. Like, it's still hovering at the lows here on the daily. So, could be an option for you guys that you thought, if you thought you missed out, if you believe that Bitcoin's going higher. If you believe, I'm not going to tell you what to do. If you believe Bitcoin's going higher, ADA could be something that you look at there, because ADA really hasn't moved yet. All right, Bitcoin, 23,939. Bitcoin's trying to come back up again, guys. Oh, man. If Bitcoin starts pumping again, it might be a long stream tonight, guys. It might be a long stream tonight. Let's find out. Let's find out. He hasn't done shit yet, and this still could turn up to be some type of some type of head and shoulders pattern. We really got to make, I mean, it all comes down to breaking the highs, man. You just don't want to make a lower high here and come back down, because then you got your classic head and shoulders pattern, man, on the 15-minute time frame. So we got to break this previous high. All right, let's continue to watch it. I'm gonna take this off, but you guys get the point. We got to break that previous high. Let's see. Rip ADA someday. Let's see. Cosmos. ADA's such a frustrating coin. It is. It is. Rip ADA? I wouldn't say rip ADA, man. ADA actually, compared to other alts, actually held up pretty well in the bear market, man. Let's get out of the BART. Hopefully, let's get out of the BART. Bitcoin, it's trying to make its way back to the upside now. It just does it have any more juice to continue up? You know what I mean? Just FOMO'd into Gala? Don't FOMO, man. Don't FOMO, man. That's not the point. That's not the point, my man. Don't be FOMOing, man. Buy the lows. And buy before you break out of patterns. You're not after. Listen, you do what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You know what I mean? I'm not going to tell you what to do here. All right. So we're about 2 hours into this stream. It's one of the longer streams we've done in a while. Actually, we are 2 hours. If you count the intro, we're 2 hours into the stream. It's pretty exciting, man. You remember the days we used to do? This is about when I start losing my energy, guys. I apologize. Remember back in the days we used to do like 3-hour streams, like every single day. Those were the grind days, man. 3-hour streams every single day during the bull market. Those were some fun times too. Hopefully we can get back to those days too. It's fun. You can stream for 3 hours during the bull market because there's actually shit to talk about. You know, during these times it's a little bit hard to find things to talk about. Yeah, looks like you're seeing some good moves on alts across the board, guys. Let me know in the chat. What alts should we look at? What else we got moving up right now? Let's see. Anytime is a good buy good buy if you're accumulating. That's very true too. You've done well way longer. That's just low T. Interactive's usually like, that means Jordan's getting off soon. No, it doesn't mean I'm getting off, man. That just means I'm chilling. Okay? All right, let's see. What else we got? OP. My willingness to talk it proportional to how much money I am making. I guess that's pretty true. I'm not gonna lie. Peter said the alts are dumping. Now is too late. I don't see any alts that are currently dumping, my man. I see all alts are green right now. And if anything's the case, Matic's been kind of the driver of the pump. And look at Matic right now. Matic's actually coming up to test its highs again. Now we got to see if it breaks the highs. That was a beautiful breakout on Matic. Look at this, man. You broke the downtrend, right? You came back up, you back tested, and you just catapulted to the upside. Let's see if Matic has enough juice. It's getting pretty. The 4-hour stocks are topped out, right? 4-hour RSI is getting a little oversold here. Or sorry, overbought. I'm sorry. Let's see if it has enough juice to break this 98.6 level, because it is coming up hot and heavy. It's up about 4%. Up about 4%, man. Please don't get off right now. No, I mean as long as we're trying to build some momentum to the upside, I'm not going to get off. But Maddox kind of been the driver. I mean, Maddox was the first one to really start going nuts at the bottom. So let's see if it has enough juice to continue up here, man. Let's see. If we break the highs, we'll start playing the pump song again on Matic. BTC kind of just holding steady, allowing altcoins to do their thing right now. Just kind of allowing altcoins to just kind of dilly-wally right now. John said people will wait till 50K and then they can't buy much. That's usually what happens. Now, like I said, we're not out of the woods yet, okay? But the whole point of this is, you know, everyone that didn't buy is scratching their head right now. Okay, I mean, I'm not trolling. I'm just spitting facts. I always sit here and spit facts. Everything I say is facts, man. And I'm not talking about my TA. I'm talking about just the psychology of the market. Okay, you guys know me. Maybe I was bearish down here. It doesn't mean I wasn't buying though for my longer term holds. Okay, right here, man. You're probably getting a lot of people up here, right here, thinking two things. And here's the psychology of the market. Okay. Let's start right here. Okay. You have a lot of people wondering right here, should they FOMO in? Should you FOMO in or should you not FOMO in? And your two choices are this. Okay. Here's all the outcomes that could happen. You're thinking this in your head. What if I buy now and it goes lower? Okay. Or you're thinking, what if I don't buy now and it goes higher? Okay. Unfortunately, you're left with that choice. You're left with that choice right now. But why? Because you refuse to buy when we hit support literally 3 times down here. You refuse to buy. Okay? At any point over here, you refuse to buy. That's why you're stuck with this hard choice you're in right now. Okay? That's why you're stuck with this hard choice. You wouldn't have to make that choice if you accumulated at any of these tests. Say if you didn't know this was the bottom, okay? Or you didn't know if this was the time right here. You came back up. You could buy this support back down here. Why not buy that support? We rose up again, you come back down, you buy support. Even if you don't think the bottom is in, you should be accumulating because you'll never be able to time the bottom. Maybe this is the end of the move and we start dumping here, right? But that's not the point. Because at one point a pattern like this will be the bottom. And you're going to wish that you bought the supports. That's the whole point, man. Now you're stuck in this little dilemma if you should FOMO in. And if you don't, and it continues up, you're just going to keep stuck in that dilemma. Should I FOMO in? No, I'm not going to. Should I FOMO in? I'm not going to. All right? That's sort of the dilemma that you find yourself in at the moment. Okay? Now, it could come back down. It could come back down. And maybe you'll be right. Maybe you don't FOMO back in and it comes back down. Congratulations. You did you. But I'll tell you this. If Bitcoin does come back down again, I hope you learn your lesson and you buy the lows, man. If you get it right this time and Bitcoin comes back down, you better learn your lesson and you better freaking be accumulating at the lows. I don't want to hear you, if it does bounce again, oh, should I buy now? I don't want to hear it again, okay? I don't. And if you get it even more right and it continues back down to freaking, I don't know, if it goes back down to 14K, right, and it starts accumulating again, you better start accumulating these lows so you don't go through that same thing again, all right? That's really it, man. It's not about timing the bottoms. It's just giving yourself the most crypto that you can, man. That's it. And you might say if I buy lower, obviously that means I'm going to have more crypto. No shit, numbnuts. But you don't know when the bottom is in. Okay? That's not the whole friggin' point. The whole point is trying to accumulate as much crypto as possible. And the best way to do that is just buying supports on the way back down because that's all you know to do. Okay? You don't know what's going to happen in 2 months from now. You don't know what's going to happen 3 months from now. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Stop trying to act like you do. I don't. I have no freaking clue, man. I have no freaking clue. That's why myself, that I told you guys earlier, for months that I was going to be, my biggest buy was going to be at the 200-week moving average. I was underwater on that for about 45 days, okay, since we broke that. And there was one point I was 20% down on the biggest buy that I've ever done in crypto. Now it's up now. It could be down again, but that's not the point. I don't care. I don't care, man, because that's a long-term hold. You got to have a long-term stack so you're not worried about short-term moves. Okay? I'm doing a big rant alert right now. But that's about it, man. That's it. Let's see. Clint said choices aren't hard when you make them. Lessons on those choices could be. Don't be fearful. Exactly, man. I'm doing a big rant alert right now, guys, because at the end of the day, I say this all the time, we talk about short-term moves on this channel all the time. At the end of the day, do all these short-term moves really matter? They really don't, man. They really don't, because whenever the next bull market starts, you're just going to want crypto. That's it. You're not going to care about these short-term moves. You're not. You're not. I've always said, in one bull market, you're going to make more than a trader does in freaking 10 years, man. I'm serious. I'm serious. You think that's dumb? Give me one trader. Give me one trader that can 100x their portfolio in 10 years. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. If you can find me one, that would be awesome. Now, there's probably one out there, okay? There's probably one. But the point is the majority is not going to 100x their portfolio in 10 years, okay? The point is with crypto, if you go back in any bull market, you can pick one random freaking altcoin that can 100x. Even these high caps did. I'm not going to say you're going to guarantee to 100x. That's not the point, but you get my point, man. You just want to be in the game. When you're in the game and you get to the next bull market, that's really the end goal at the end of the day. Okay? Now, you can trade to make more crypto. You can certainly do that. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Savvy? And there's nothing, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with trading. You can do it. But my point is, like, maybe 1% can do that. Carl the Moon? Carl, no, man. Carl did not make 100x through trading. I'm willing to bet my life savings that Carl did not make 100x through trading. Okay? He did not. He did not, man. Do nothing out of selfish ambition. It's an interesting little verse in the chat, man. It's an interesting little verse. Let's see. I wasn't 100% sure about bearish Jordan, but I like bullish Jordan a lot. I have enough to be happy, but I got more to invest. Oh, so you don't like bearish Jordan, but you like bullish Jordan. Okay. Right now, I'm still a little bit neutral. I'm not totally convinced in this move just yet, but I guess this is more a neutral Jordan, I guess. You know, there's bullish signs. We're still below key levels though, so I'm gonna stay relatively. I'm gonna stay cautionably bullish. Cautionably bullish. Hugh goes to sleep with an itchy bum. Wake with smelly finger. What the? Damn, what are you coming in here with that chat, man? You made me read that. You know I have a big mouth. I don't read before I say. Come on, man. All right. Anything else? Anything else doing good? Chainlink is still doing pretty good. Chainlink's now at 4% on the new day. Look at Chainlink. Break that high, Chainlink. Ugh.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Let's go, baby. Ah! I love playing the pump song again, man. It's fun. Even if it doesn't last, even if we start going back down tomorrow, it's fun to have a few days of pump song, man. It is. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Ah! Now for Chainlink, we still... these are going to be due for a lot of these alts are going to be due for a pullback, though. If you look at some of these shorter term time frames, like hourly stocks are topped, 4-hour stocks are topped. You got bearish div on the 1-hour time frame. You're gonna get some pullbacks on these. You know what I mean? You're gonna get some pullbacks on these. But quite honestly, we got to get back above that previous high. You know, I'm getting pumped right now, but you got to get back above that previous high right here, 759. Which is really like this range high. You got to get back above there. But you got some toppy signs, at least in the short term. So I'm getting hyped, but just be cautiously optimistic. You know what I mean? Cautiously optimistic at the moment. Drew said Link Pamp is a top indicator. I will never forget, Drew. Be cautiously optimistic. I will never forget, Drew. Never forget the Chainlink top indicator. You know what I mean? Never. Chainlink pumps means Bitcoin dumps. Usually that is the case for sure, my man. All right, what do we got? Appreciate that. We hit 69K subs by the way yesterday. It's a magic number, 69K. You got a lot. I don't know what it says now. It still probably says 69K. But that's awesome, man. It's one of the best numbers in the game, 69K. All right, guys. Well, what do we think? I might call it a stream here. Why? Bitcoin looks like it's slowing back down. It's not going to pump until I get off. It just never pumps while I'm streaming. You guys know how it is. It's probably the time, right? We usually see the moves earlier in the day. So, you know, we had a nice stream, man. Did some giveaways. We gave away 10 memberships. By the way, for all the new members, we do stream at 9:45. 9:45 every Monday through Friday, 9:45 for the member streams. If you need to find the member streams, if you're a new member or if you want to join, you basically go to the channel page. You click on membership. You click on the community tab on the channel page, and before 9:45, you'll see it pop up in there. Okay, that's how you find it. Notifications are a little wacky on membership, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 9:45. Until then, make sure you stay easy. Stay a little bit cautiously optimistic here. Okay, at the end of the day, just to do a quick recap, where we are, we're still below the previous high. That's what we've done a couple times. Okay, we've had these deviations. We made lower highs and dumped, right? Deviation, lower highs and dumped. So stay cautiously optimistic. But there are some bullish signs, right? We were able to get back above the 50 EMA, right? We're still in that bear flag though. But we also were able to break back above this resistance. So there's bullish signs. We're still below key levels. Stay grounded, okay? Don't get too FOMO-y. As always, I will say it again, don't be afraid to take profits. Don't be afraid to take profits. At the end of the day, until proven otherwise, we're still in a bear market. Don't be afraid to take profits on the pumps, okay? I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Don't be afraid to, don't panic sell your crypto. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and don't panic sell your crypto, and don't be afraid to take profits on the pumps. All right? Adios, guys. Have a fantastic night. See you guys later. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'll put the Discord link in the chat one more time here. Discord link in the chat. There it is. Joe said, can you take a look at VGX before you leave? I got you on VGX, Joe. I got you, my man. Make sure I didn't forget anyone else in the chat here either. Carrie said, what do you think the odds of us recovering the vectors at 17K? Are there any vectors at 17K? Let me see. Let me check some of these. I don't know if there are any vectors. There's wicks. There's wicks at 17K, but I don't think there's any vector candles down there. Let me see. Let me go back. I mean, we have some back down here at like 21K. Let me go back and look at like the hourly time frame. Let me see. All the way back in time. Yeah, we recovered all the ones down here. There's one. No, we recovered that one. Yeah, there's no hourly vectors, which probably means there's no 4-hour vectors too. So it looks like we recovered all of them. The lowest one that I see is right here at 21.6 for Bitcoin. Which right now we're at 23.8. So that's a pretty significant drop if it does do that drop. Which, I mean, you got to respect the vector candles at some point. It's just a matter of how high does Bitcoin want to go before it wants to come back down, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Also, we had Kesty says Luna will go to $1 by Christmas. I will say
nope.
And let's see. Let me see what else you guys say in the chat here. I think that was everyone there. Oh, Kareem said, so now if Bitcoin loses 23.2, can bulls GG? No, I mean, that's not the end of the world. That's just where I see if Bitcoin does pull back. That's a very interesting area for it to pull back to. And then Joe wanted VGX. Shockness said, just bought 5K USD of Gala. Let's go, bro. Don't FOMO, man. Don't FOMO. Keep it easy, man. Don't be FOMOing just because I said I like Gala. Come on, man. Don't be FOMOing after the breakouts. Don't be horse guy. All right, let me do VGX. And then we'll call it a stream here. All right? VGX, this is shady, man. Look at this chart on VGX. What the hell is going on with this? This is some shady shit. Let me go to the 4-hour. Look at this. Rise up. Freaking boop, 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 boop. What is going on here, man? It's coiling up. It's doing its best coil job. right? Looks like it could break out though. I mean, it's gonna. You should expect a move on this within the next couple hours. This might correlate with Bitcoin having a move, all right? Because the let me check out the futures real quick. Yeah, Nasdaq's still up, S&P's still up. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. But yeah, I mean, you're coming up to a move right now, coming hot and heavy to a move. I think the RSI broke out too. Let me see. Yeah, the RSI looks like it broke out to the upside. I would say the good chance this breaks to the upside, assuming Bitcoin just doesn't shit the bed. Yeah, hourly. Some of your stocks are topped out, but you're getting some volume to the upside here. See this volume to the upside? Wait for the breakout, but it's getting there. It's getting there, man. It's getting there. Some of your stocks are topped out, so just be careful there. But as long as Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed, I think this has a good chance of breaking to the upside, either tonight or tomorrow, man. But expect a move within the next, probably by tomorrow morning, you should expect a move on this, man. You should. You should. All right? So I'm going to call it straight. All right? Adios, guys. I'm out of here. See ya. See you tomorrow, 9:45 for the members. And then, of course, at 7 p.m. tomorrow night for everyone. All right? Peace out, guys. Peace.